Why is everything chrome?
Man, this beat got me feeling like the franchise boys in this league.
Okay, YouTube, we are going to our track meet and we're gonna go have some fun. And I'm gonna show you my relay partner. Also, guys, I'm gonna put some pictures down below so yeah, you guys can see them. So, see you guys when I get there. So now me and my relay partner are in the bleachers. We're at the thing, and we're gonna record our team doing 400 meters. I believe because hurdles are over. So. Let's go, Brian! Brian, let's go! Let's go! Woo! Blessed! You're one! Whoa! 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 Congratulations! Go, 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 go! Yes, Jaleisha! Hey! Okay, guys, now we just finished. Well, I just ran our relay, and I will put that clip down below. KK, stop touching my popcorn. Are you doing a YouTube video? Yes, I am. Hey!
My girl. Yeah. Yeah. Go on, my girl. Oh no, then gone. Go on, mama. Take it to them. Yeah. Go on, mama. Run. Yeah. Go on, mama. Oh, look.
Okay, now I'm on the bus, and I was just sleeping. I forgot to record, but now we're on the bus, and we're gonna go back to school, and that will be the end of our school vlog. So our track and field vlog. So we did qualify. All my four of my friends, like all my best friends, qualified. So I'll put pictures and stuff down below. Bye.
Why is everything chrome?
Man, this beat got me feeling like the franchise boys in this league.